Hey everyone, Bike Life with Rob. I've got an update on the cheap action camera that I bought. It actually works pretty well if you use it as I am using it here. Not action, but showing the action. Don't put it on your bike, don't run with it. It doesn't do any vibration reduction, but you can see the video quality here is pretty good. The only thing is the sound still sucks, so you have to overlay some other sound. It also takes good pictures. These are pictures from it. So, I don't know, for 30 bucks, I think it's a good deal because I can use it to capture some of that footage and take pictures. One other thing it does is it does slow motion video. If you have 30 bucks and you wanted an action cam, not to put on your bike and ride with, but to capture you as you ride by, or to do stuff like this, or to take pictures, it's probably worth the 30 bucks. It's definitely not something I would pay anything more than $30 for. So that's the end of my review on this camera. I wish it had vibration reduction, but it doesn't. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and share.